PARAWING and she is already hooked. Start with the condition and the setup. You can see here the 3 square meter PARAWING, which is a super easy setup. We have around 50 to 20 knots, and yeah, about the gear here, Laura will talk a bit.
So we are using the Waltz 7.0 as a good board because it's easy to stand on it, and we're using the Ensis Maniac Stride Ace 1740 to get going easily.
What is really important to start with, take always a leash with you, because when you don't have a leash and you will drop the PARAWING, you have nothing with you to swim with. So think always about the leash. So let's introduce how we start the PARAWING. So here we have the bar, and you have always the power zone from the bar and the depower zone. And the power zone is on the front hand, and you're holding the PARAWING also on the front hand. So it's always the front part, which is here. So then you're throwing the PARAWING and starting it. As you can see, I'm holding the PARAWING in the front handle part and not on the back, because when I go on the back, it will depower and go down. And if you want to have power, I pull up here. Yeah, about steering, it's also super simple. So when you turn on the left side, like in a car wheel, it goes left. When I turn the right side, it goes right. And keep always in mind to get a bit power in the power hand.
So now we explain you how to launch the PARAWING when you're on the water. So first take the bar and fix it somewhere under your leg. Then grab the leading edge. Take your bar in one hand and then throw the PARAWING.
And always hold it on the backhand. Then when you feel comfortable, you can stand up. And as soon you're standing up, try to get power in the PARAWING, start pumping and start going. So with the time you pump with the legs, with the arm, and you go up easily. For jibing, you need to go a bit downwind with the wing. Bring the PARAWING on 12 o'clock up to you, and then turn around and bring the PARAWING down so that has always pull in the wing, and you can easily go to the other direction.
Soon you find a nice way to surf. Pack your PARAWING together and enjoy.
For doing downwinding, I go really fast downwind, so I get less power on the PARAWING.